Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, you'll get to see everything I ate for 7 days on the ketogenic way of eating. The way I do keto is a little differently than some of the others here on YouTube. I do a higher protein, moderate fat version of keto that is set to maintain my lean muscle mass while encouraging fat loss. I hope you find something in this video that will help you with your own keto meal plan. Be sure to post any questions you might have in the comments below. Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. This is a new episode of What to Eat Wednesday, and I'm having my typical meal for the first meal of the day. I have 2 eggs, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, 44 grams of center cut bacon, 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine Mio water enhancer, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. This is the product that I am using in my yogurt today. So if you're looking for something to sweeten up your yogurt, you can do this, or you can just use liquid stevia drops with either imitation vanilla or lemon juice to flavor your yogurt. All right, everyone, it is Wednesday night, and I am just having a little bit of taco salad. So I just have 5 ounces of ground beef, 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 3 tablespoons of light sour cream, 2 tablespoons of Hatch Valley salsa, and a cup of lettuce. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Thursday night and I am editing my hide and seek videos, and this is my last meal of the day. I am having 5 ounces of chicken breast, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, over 1.5 cups of spaghetti squash, and a half a cup of Rao's marinara, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. It is 12:36 and I am still out for the day, so this is going to be my first meal. I am just having 1 20-gram protein Think Thin bar and 28 almonds, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright, it's about 3 o'clock, 3:30, something like that, and I'm having my second meal of the day, just 44 grams of center cut bacon and 2 fried eggs, and that's going to be my second meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Friday night and I am having 5 full chicken wings, some Frank's Red Hots, and some ranch dressing. Alright everyone, it's Saturday, it's about noon, and I'm having my first meal of the day. My chickens only laid me 1 egg last night. I don't know what's going on with my girlies, but usually we get 4, and lately we've been getting 2 and now only 1, so I only have 1 egg today because it is just a couple days before payday and they're down to the dregs of everything. So I do have 44 grams of center cut bacon, 1/2 of an avocado because my daughter talked me into buying one of those the other day, so happen to have that on hand, 2 teaspoons of Hatch Valley medium salsa, and only 215 grams of Fage Greek yogurt because I was just using what was left in the container. So to make up for the fact that I'm missing an egg, my cheese, and some of my yogurt, I am going to have this protein bar because I happen to have one of these left from yesterday when I was taking my kids shopping for their trip. Well, if you guys watch my family channel, you'll know what I'm talking about, and if not, well, don't worry about it. Anyway, that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Saturday night. I just got home. It is almost 11 o'clock at night, and I am having a 7-ounce chuck steak with 130 grams of green beans cooked in bacon fat. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hey everyone, it's Sunday, and I am having my first meal of the day. Again, my chicken only laid 1 egg today, so I have 1 egg, 44 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of cheese, and a cup of yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, for Sunday night dinner, the last day of summer for my kids, before school starts, we are having a special dinner. We are having fajitas, so I have some, I think it's bottom round roast, I think he said, or I can't remember, but it's roast, cut into strips, and I have 7 ounces of that, and 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, and about 4 tablespoons of pico de gallo, and a little bit of salsa, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Happy Monday, everyone. It's the first day of homeschool, and we're having homeschool start feast. And so I've got some cheesy eggs, berries, an ounce and a half. And actually, I'm not sure how much provolone cheese that is. Is it 1 ounce? I think it's an ounce and a half of provolone cheese, 2 sausages, 2 pieces of bacon, and my cup of yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio. And that's gonna be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, meal number 2 for me. This is what it looks like. I don't always record this, but this is what I've been talking about that I've been eating as a second meal between my first and last meals. So there you have it. Alright everyone, Monday night, and I am having 2 chicken legs with Frank's Red Hots and a couple tablespoons of ranch dressing and 3/4 cup of green beans cooked in a little bit of bacon grease, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Okay, here is my little makeshift lunch that I am going to have. I'm going to have 2 pieces of mozzarella cheese, 2 slices of this Oscar Mayer oven roasted turkey breast, 2 boiled eggs, a Quest protein cookie, and a Walmart brand Premier protein shake. Walmart. So I don't know if that tastes any good, but we're gonna try it because they were more like $1 cheaper. It may not be worth it, but we'll see. And that's what I'm gonna have for my first meal of the day. All right, we're heading home from the amusement park, and we stopped for dinner. I am having the guacamole bacon burger from Carl's Jr. with a lettuce wrap, but with 2 third-pound patties. I'm also having a side salad with ranch dressing, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I post everything I eat every single week, so be sure to subscribe if you like this video. I hope you found something that will help you out in your own keto meal plan. Please let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to join our Facebook group for support and to find out how to do what I do. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.